Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender case for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the new 2018 iPad Pro with Face ID. I picked this up on the Otterbox website. I couldn't find it on Amazon or anywhere else yet. Best Buy didn't have it, Amazon didn't have it, so Otterbox website was the only place I was able to pick it up. Now the cool thing about this case, there's a couple things I like and dislike. So it does come with this hard plastic cover. This is the back of the iPad right here. This is the front, so this just snaps on when you're not using it. You can use it to cover the screen and protect the screen. It also does have a built-in screen protector on it, which I don't mind on the iPads. I don't like them on the iPhone cases just because they make it feel weird, but on the iPad it's not so bad. Now the cool thing about the top is it actually serves as a stand, so you can prop your iPad up in there like so. So you can prop it up like that. You can also scoot it down one and lay it down just a little bit more. And I don't know if this is part of the mount, but you can also stand it up like that. It stands up pretty well if you're watching a movie or something like that. But for typing, like that is definitely the way to go, because you can get on the screen pretty well. And then you just flip this piece down and you can use it as a cover again. It does have some rubber feet on the bottom right there so it doesn't slip around when you're using it like that. Now the cool thing about this case is you do have access to charge your Apple Pencil. So there's a little flap on the side that opens up, and you can see the side of the iPad here. You can plug in, or not plug in, but you can attach your Apple Pencil. Now the only thing I don't like about it is you can't close this when your Apple Pencil is charging there. So if you're the kind of person that actually leaves your Apple Pencil on the side of the iPad, you can't close the flap, so it does stick open a little bit. And some people don't like that. If you leave your Apple Pencil on the side of the iPad all the time anyway, you have it sticking out the side either way, whether the iPad's in a case or not. So I mean, I can't see it being a huge deal, but that is just one thing. You can't close the flap. I wish they would have made this kind of maybe a little bit more rounded so it would have closed, but that probably would have caused it to stick out as well. So I guess there really was no way of getting around that just because of where the pencil charges. But once your pencil's done charging, you can always take it off and close this back up. It would have been nice if maybe they added somewhere to store the pencil on the front here. That way you can close it when you're transporting it and stuff like that. You don't have it sticking off the side and, you know, worried about it getting knocked off or something like that. Maybe somewhere to put it on this piece would have been nice. Other than that, though, it's a great case. The screen works well. The Apple Pencil doesn't have any issues working. Let me move it from around the camera so I can unlock it. Let's see, there we go. The Apple Pencil doesn't have any issues or anything like that. It's still very smooth and very responsive. So no issues there. The screen protector looks really nice on the screen. It doesn't really affect the look or anything like that. And I really like how it feels in the hand. It gives you a good grip to grab your iPad without having to fear dropping it or anything like that. So I'm going to link this down to the Otterbox website below where you can pick one up. If I find it on Amazon later on, I will change that link so you guys can pick it up on Amazon and get that free Prime shipping if you are a Prime member. But this has been Colin with Techout. This is the Otterbox Defender case for the 11-inch iPad Pro, and this is also available for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro as well. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.